How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of WhatsApp application. Once you check that, launch your WhatsApp application and hit on the setting gear icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. There you will see Help Center, simply tap on it. From there, you have to briefly describe about your issue that you want to fix your WhatsApp call unavailable by simply going through the contact us. Once you describe about your issue, simply type next which is on the top right corner of your screen. Then WhatsApp team will help you out to solve your issue within 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.